All right, so Davido say Nigerian economy is in shambles, and I see a lot of people they attack am. Do you understand? Even that one open him mouth in soccer way where they come out, just they vomit shit. That's mumu where they call it no mockery. Open him mouth, they talk nonsense. Right. They said, well, I don't even think anybody will take Reno Mogri serious. This is not the same person where to say Tinubu na drug lord. He go do big protests when Tinubu go UK. He do protest, say drug lord come out, embarrass Tinubu. Tinubu turn president now, he come back, come meet Tinubu again. My question to him, he never still answer. Do you also want to become a drug lord? Because what are you doing with an alleged drug lord according to you? But that's number one. Now, Davido say the country's economy is in shambles. People are attacking him. Let's start with the countries that have left Nigeria. In 2024, we'll be going back. 2024 from January to October. In the first 6 months of 2024, at least 5 significant companies exited as the business climate remained difficult. This includes Microsoft Nigeria, Total Energies Nigeria, and PZ Curzon, Kimberly Clark Nigeria, and Diageo PLC. Now, let's go to 2023. The wave of exits continued in 2023 as over 10 major companies pulled out from Nigeria, citing profitability concern and challenging business conditions. Notable departures include Unilever, Nigerian PLC, Procter & Gamble, Nigeria, GlaxoSmithKline, Consumer Company, ShopRite, Nigeria, Sanofi, Aventis, Nigeria, Equinox, Nigeria, Bolt's Food and Jumia Food, Nigeria. They all left because of the economy. 2022, all these things now are under APC regime. 2022, the trend persisted in 2022 with more than 15 prominent brands ceasing operation in the country, including Universal Rubber Company, Mother Pride Venture, Aaron Product Nigeria, and Gorgeous Metal Makers. Those ones go. In 2021, the departure of the company escalated in 2021 with over 20 firms shutting down operation in Nigeria. Among those who left were Towa Aluminium, Freeman Industry, Stone Industry Limited, Morphex Nigerian Company, Shores Foam Limited. In 2020, more than 10 companies exited Nigerian markets as impact of economic instability and other operational challenges became evident. Notable closure include Standard Biscuit Nigeria, Nasco Fiber Company, Union Trading Company Nigerian PLC, Delhi Food. Now, since where APC carry power, economy just they go like this. And the guy talk say the economy is in shambles and all of that they attack him. Did he lie? That's the question. Did he lie? We as Nigerians, we are living below $5 a week. A week! A week. Now, you people are using his father as reference. So now they talk say, in a country where your father has a $2 billion investment plans and you are pursuing the foreigners away from coming to invest in Nigeria, una get luck. Una get luck, say no be mean jam CNN. What una for year, una for base. You don't use Davido father as a reference. Davido father out of how many million Nigerians? Do you see the way Nigerians eat from hand to mouth? Because of the hardship of this country? What is the price of rice in the market? What is the price of rice in the market? This thing moved from 30-something thousand to over 100,000 naira. We sell minimum wage. What's the price of beans? What's the price of gari? Egg used to be 30 naira. It's almost 200 naira now. With the same minimum wage. They said they moved that minimum wage to 80,000 naira, but it's not everybody that pays 80,000 naira. How much is transportation? See the fuel price. People are suffering. Businesses are folding. And the guy thought say the economy is in shambles. And I say the boy just talk, yeah, you are chasing foreigners away. You people are lucky. Say no be legal talk. It wasn't a me. Now by mistake, CNN just say, Verydarkman, come here. First thing I go talk, if you bring your company to Nigeria, if your MD is going home, they will kidnap him along Kogi Road first. I'll tell them about insecurity first. Insecurity first, the way that they kidnap people first. Now I'll tell them. You know, stop there. I'll tell them, say, if your pikin is going home, do you understand? And he follow one kind of road, they can do accidental discharge. The security agencies can do accidental discharge. That one, number 2. I'll come tell them, say, if your child is in school and is playing with 2 flags, like this, your child that does not know, your 10 years old, 11-year-old child is playing with flag, that we are arresting for treason, because in this country now, they used to lock children. Yes, now. Yes, now. You know how many things they to talk about Nigeria? When I get love, Davido is nice, even use proper English. Then that woman for TVC just open her wide mouth. Wide mouth like say they open fridge. Just did they come on cold rubbish. They speak because you can speak English. Because you can speak English. You know how many children if you go school? Because of the insecurity of their own region. See primary school where they show you which day the roof don't come out. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Because you could go to school, you open your mouth, did Davido lie? Did Davido lie? Did Davido lie? See Mr. Patrick Doyle, the husband to related, the ex-husband to related Doyle. The question, sir, with all due respect, did Davido lie? When they use his papa name, they use his papa name. His father don't make his own. But the people around where his father is staying, how are they living? Mona go makoko na. Go makoko na. Go makoko. If you enter the talk me language, look makoko. Your economy is good. We are not saying there should be no poor. There must be poor people everywhere. But if your economy is good, we will see it. Place where no lights. In 2024, we'll see the fine problem with lights. Bring company and see whether you go get lights. Yeah. Whether you go get lights to power your company. You go burn diesel, your eye will clear. If you do talk, all of now they vibrate. Or go kill everybody where they vibrate, where they criticize, or go kill all of now. And you better stop calling his name, else you're gonna learn. And you will learn the hard way. Don't play. Make a give that Reno, especially that Reno. Big head.